You got a Steam Deck and you want to make sure your saves follow you everywhere? Here's how to enable cloud saves. On your Steam Deck, hit the Steam button, scroll down and open Settings. Head into the Cloud tab and make sure to enable Steam Cloud and is turned on. Now, not every game has cloud saves by default, so go into your library, pick a game, hit the gear icon, and confirm Cloud Sync is enabled. Now, whenever you close the game, your progress uploads automatically, so you can continue on your PC or another device without losing data. And that's it. Cloud saves on your Steam Deck are now ready to keep your progress safe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.